where we can find more of those examples of, that's Cincinnati. That's it. Immortality. Okay. Know and be able to identify the three stages of, oh, thank you. You just did that for me.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay. What?
Oh.
I just put this up here. That's excellent. The three stages of knowledge, differences between lyric poetry, lamentation, contemplation. Great. And then know what this was posted by the Curia, and do this. Know what the sublime means.
And Taylor also.
Oh, and Taylor Mendenhall. Sorry, and Taylor. They both did this. Okay. Excellent work here. Because I'm glad y'all did that. So, but yet I know where'er I go, there had passed away a glory from the earth, lines 17 and 18. Perfect. Yes, that's what had faded away. That is an example of what stage? The poet. The poet passed away. He's all, I don't have unity with nature. So it's the adult, yes. So 17 and 18, this is, just put immortality as your title, immortality. Lines 17 and 18, that might be an example of the adult stage, okay, because the glory has passed away. If I were sullen while earth herself is adorning the sweet May morning, the children are culling on every side, and 1,000 valleys far and wide. If I were sullen, oh, it would be bad. You might call that the adult. Our birth is but a sleep and a forgetting. That one is really important, along with that whole description of the star that's set somewhere else, and all of that. That this is an example of the pre-existence of souls. Line 59, example of pre-existence of the soul. As we talked about, I don't think Christians believe, or I don't think Baptists anyhow, believe that our souls are already up there in heaven, like in a gumball machine, and come down when we're born. So this is kind of unusual. It's Neoplatonic, but you don't need that word at this point. Heaven lies about us in our infancy. That's the child stage. Forget the glories he hath known, and that imperial palace whence he came. Sounds like the adult stage. And then why with such earnest pains do you provoke the years to bring the yoke? Yes, why do you want to grow up so fast? I might also talk about the youth, who comes from the east. The youth is nature's priest, that line. And that would be still child, sort of. And then don't forget a timely utterance gave that thought relief. Because this is the poet stage. Because once he realizes he can write poetry, that's the utterance, that's the poetry. The utterance, the words are the poetry. Okay? And then that looks good. Okay, now remember, if you've got stuff highlighted, go back and you might want to go back and look at some of the lectures. Maybe we need to stop it and start it again. Okay, we're done with Wordsworth. Now we'll go on.